Hi, now I am going to explaining Smart Crawler, a two-stage crawler for efficiently harvesting deep web interfaces. The main objective of this project is to search more relevant document based on the keyword and to reduce the inner searches means instead of searching up to the parent document, search up to the more relevant child documents. This reduces the inner searches. So due to the large volume of text-based data resources and dynamic nature of data in web, achieving the wide coverage and higher efficiency is a all search engine issue. So overcome this, we propose a two-stage framework, that is Smart Crawler. In this first stage, Smart Crawler performs site-based searching for center pages with the help of search engines, avoiding visiting a large number of pages to achieve more accurate results. Focused crawl. In this second stage, Smart Crawler achieves the fast in document searching by excavating most relevant words with a smart crawler scanning word ranking. Our proposed crawler framework, which efficiently retrieves the documents interfaces from large scale documents. In this project, we retrieves the in this project some privacy issue, we can't access the data directly from website. So overcome this, in this project we are retrieves the all the data from websites and we are stored in one text format. So we are uploading the data in search engines. So here this diagrams is a two-stage smart crawler architecture. So here that is a site database. So this one is site ranker. Site ranker is nothing but here we are calculating the rank number of, where first of all we are finding the number of keywords, what are the keywords is there, and then we are finding the ranking of that keyword. So next, this site classifier. So this is the search engine. So if you search any keyword means it will access that site database and it will fetch from page fetcher. This is from database, from classifier adaptive links. This is the stage 1, this is the stage 2, two stage smart crawler. So this one is Eclipse IDE. We have developed these applications by using this IDE only. Okay, this is your application name, Smart Crawler. So WebInf SRC, in this folder we have stored all the servlets and some classes, all JDBC concept we are stored in WebInf SRC folder. In this CSS format we are stored for designing some your front ends, and JSP, these all are JSP pages. So before going to run your project, you want to run your Tomcat server. In our project we are used Tomcat server. So Tomcat server is running. After running this Tomcat server, open browser, type localhost :8080 Tomcat manager admin admin. So here this is your project smart crawler. So here two module is there, one is admin module and user module. Admin first he will log in. So he is maintaining the this is in our applications we are using Drive HQ Cloud. Okay, so there is informations about the Drive HQ Cloud. So next, now I'm uploading the smart crawler data. It's nothing but website data. I'm uploading now. So file uploaded successfully. So next, crawler insertions. So now which one you uploaded? This is your uploaded files. Select. Now you can insert the smart crawler keyword. Insert. So smart crawler insertion successfully. So this is for transaction details, uploaded file details. If you want to see, this is the uploaded details. So these are the keywords. So total number of keywords. If you want to change the password, you can change. So next is user port. So if you new user means he can registered here. If already registered means directly he can log in. So this is the user homepage. So now he is going to search the keyword. So here simple keyword search and keyword with smart crawler. Here simple keyword search is searching a one keyword. So algorithm, for example, is the keyword. So I'm going to searching the keyword, searching. So rank is 2 star. So this is the text file. Which one you uploaded? The text files. View. So these are the entire data. So this one is the keyword. Here you can search another keyword. Which one keyword you want, you can search. So and next, so keyword search with smart crawler. So now you can search what are the smart crawler algorithms. Added smart crawler search is a algorithms. So okay, same process. So smart crawler keyword search. So by using this keyword we can search the entire, we can retrieve the entire file from file database. Logout. Thank you.